Welcome to Get Started for IT Admins. In just 5 easy steps, you'll learn how to quickly deploy and manage devices for your school. Here they are. First, log in to device A and connect to your school's network. Then, use Setup School PCs to configure a new device. Step 3 takes you through Intune for Education Express configuration. Next, we'll show you how to find and deploy apps from the Microsoft Store for Education. And in Step 5, you'll add new folders to all devices in your tenant. Ready to explore Microsoft Education? To log in to device A, use the IT admin credentials included in your trial in a box. Then connect device A to your school's Wi-Fi network or connect it to a local Ethernet connection. Next, download and get the Setup School PCs app from the Microsoft Store and then launch it. Setup School PCs provides the tools needed for learning while removing any apps or features that may not be needed. It's easy to create a provisioning package to save to a USB to quickly set up any new PCs without installing a new version of Windows. In the app, click Get Started and use your IT admin credentials to sign in. When prompted, select your school's wireless network. And as a backup, we recommend also plugging in an Ethernet or wired connection to device B. Assign a name to the student device. And then specify settings for the student PC before clicking Next. On this screen, you can set up the optional Take a Test app, which you can use for taking quizzes and high-stakes assessments. We'll skip this one for now. Next, you can add recommended apps from the Microsoft Store for Education. Here, Office 365 for Windows 10s is perfect for the trial-in-a-box PCs, but this is optional. If you select this, it will take 30 to 45 minutes longer for Setup School PCs to create a provisioning package, as Office 365 for Windows 10s is downloaded from the Microsoft Store. Let's select Minecraft Education Edition and click Next. Review and accept the package settings before saving the package on the USB drive that came with Trial in a Box. In the meantime, let's walk through Step 3 together, Intune for Education Express configuration. Log into the portal, launch Express configuration, and follow the prompts. You'll need to choose which groups you wish to work with. We'll select All Users. Then, select the apps, and choose the settings you want to provision to the group. Review the list of apps and settings before saving them. And you're all done, ready for Step 4. It's simple to find and deploy apps for your school. From the Intune for Education portal, simply select Store Apps to sign in and go into the Microsoft Store for Education. From there, you can either check the list of suggested apps or search for educational or reference apps. When you find an app, select Get the App, and then Add to Private Store. To verify the app has been added, go to Manage Your Products and Services and ensure it's there. Super! In Step 5, we'll use Intune for Education to add folders and update settings on all devices in your tenant. Under Groups, select All Devices and Settings, then Windows Interface Customizations. Click to add 2 folders, Documents and Downloads. Save your changes, and you're done. Now let's go back to Setup School PCs to see if the provisioning package is ready. Once the package is ready, remove the USB key and insert it to device B, the student PC, to set that up. You may need to plug an Ethernet or wired connection into the student PC. For troubleshooting tips, click Microsoft Education Trial in a Box Support. Remember, we've pre-configured your tenant and pre-populated it with fictitious SIS or Student Information System data to work with. as you follow the step-by-step instructions which are detailed for you on this site. Thank you for joining today's tour and enjoy exploring Microsoft Education.